Premium filter specified to OE levels of filtration and fluid flow. Ensures transmission longevity when replaced at regular service intervals. Includes third hand pan gasket with retention holes that hold bolts in place during installation. Exclusive gasket material swells with first heat cycle to prevent leaks long term. Kit for Chrysler A727, A904, A500 A518 transmissions. Confirm by inputting year, make, model. Top reviews from the United States. Worth it. Liked that they gave me 2 gaskets, one for a 727 and one for a 904. Just had to lay the gasket out for a couple of days to flatten them, but I thought they were a good deal.